Costa Rica is known worldwide for its rich flora and fauna. Some of the most fascinating representatives are the amphibians and reptiles. In the beautiful Arenal Volcano zone, we find a biodiversity paradise that offers the visitor the possibility of admiring and getting to know the most exotic Costa Rican amphibian, reptile, insect, and bird species. This place is Arenal Natura. Located only 6 kilometers from the center of La Fortuna in the northern zone of Costa Rica, Arenal Natura is one of the most novel and active conservation centers in the country, where the visitor is submerged in a natural world, learning and enjoying from the multitudes of amphibian, reptile, insect, and bird species that are almost impossible to observe in nature because of their size and camouflage techniques. This ecological park offers the visitors 5 defined zones. When you enter, we start our walk learning about the surprising world of ants. Our naturalist guides share with you a multitude of secrets about these fascinating insects, from the labor that the workers do to cut the leaves, to carrying the leaf and cultivating edible mushrooms. In addition, see how the waste system works as defense tactics to protect the colony for the true social organization that the Queen directs. Later after this stop, we'll walk through an area in the forest and garden where it's common to spy birds and some Heliconia species. The path takes us to the lake and home to the crocodiles. These impotent and feared species that can reach more than 5 meters long have a ferocious bite and is the most powerful of the animal kingdom, with around 1,750 kilos of pressure. These have been rescued from hunters and are in a safe place here with the purpose of being able to reintroduce them to nature. From this point, we have a beautiful view of the lake. We set off on the path towards the snake house, making a brief stop in the caiman pond. These reptiles look a lot like the crocodiles but are smaller in size. We also admire some of the turtle species. By their nature, they form part of the selected list of animals for the longest longevity, reaching more than 100 years old. We now enter into the snake house. This unique structure in the zone allows us to enjoy these impressive reptiles from a very intimate but safe way to be able to admire these serpents at such a close distance. It's without a doubt a great attraction and something you have to experience. When we leave the snake house, we pass by the specialty of Arenal Natura, the biggest amphibian garden in Costa Rica, and the only one of its type that has the most spacious modules and terrariums found, where we have created habitats very similar to their natural ones for more than 30 species of frogs and toads. In this amazing frog house, our guides will help you to discover the marvelous worlds of the amphibians, and you will get to know about the evolution of more than 360 million years. Here you will be in contact with the most colorful and attractive species of frogs from the tropical forest, such as the interesting glass frogs that are rarely seen because of its size and how difficult it is to access its habitat. Also, you can admire one of the showiest species of the tropics, the energetic frog or the red-eye frog. And don't miss the interesting dart frogs or poisonous frogs with its attractive colors that are on alert because it is dangerous. There will also be an opportunity to see the biggest frog species in Costa Rica and many other frog species, all from this beautiful tropical paradise. After leaving the frog garden, we'll walk through the forest looking for bird species, butterflies, insects, and admire the local flora. When the night begins, the nature park offers the most enthusiastic and curious the possibility to submerge themselves with our naturalist guides to the deepest part of the secondary forest, to have the possibility to enjoy some of the most marvelous spectacles of the nightlife of the tropical rainforest. Without a doubt, seeing some of these species' activities at night is another experience that nature lovers should not miss. Arenal Natura invites you to live a 100% natural experience that has a great educational value. Fill yourself with knowledge while admiring some of the most fascinating creatures of the nature world. If you travel to Arenal Volcano, don't forget to visit Arenal Natura. We are waiting for you.